Hi, I'm Joe Denler, General Counsel for the Elite family of companies and the Director of Claims for the InterNACHI RPG insurance program. Today we're going to talk about referring your client to seek information from public records, building inspectors' files, and other resources that may be available to them. Many times inspectors will come across homes that clearly have additions built or other work done. It's pretty much impossible for the inspector to determine whether or not that work was done properly. We certainly never agree to inspect anything for code. And so there could be conditions there that your client may not be able to ascertain through your home inspection. It's absolutely appropriate to give your client homework as part of the inspection process. This is generally the biggest, most expensive asset that anybody's going to buy in their lifetime, costing hundreds of thousands of dollars and leading you to take loans that can be for 30 years or more in order to buy the property. Because of the expense associated with this, you would think that every client would want to know everything about the house. But sometimes you can't provide them with all that information. Anytime you see anything that looks like it's been changed or an addition or anything else that looks like somebody did work on the property that was significant, it's perfectly acceptable for you to recommend that your client go to the local building inspector's office or the permit office and find out about what was done historically to that property prior to when they purchased it. There's a lot of valuable information to be found there. For example, you may find that the seller did substantial work on the property that wasn't disclosed by the seller in their disclosure statement. They may find out that there was work done that wasn't permitted. They may also find work done where the building inspector or other body charged with evaluating that work never signed off on it or closed the permit. This is critical information that may help your client in the decision-making process about buying that property. And it's important that you direct them there. Understand that you certainly have no obligation to use those resources in order to produce your report. It's prudent to advise your client to access any and all information that may be available to them about the property, even if it's not part of the home inspection services. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again soon.